Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing and test video of new speakers. These speakers are made by a company named Fluence, and the model is AI60. These are brand new speakers on the market. They cost $300 US or 400 Canadian dollars. I've tested these speakers and they have excellent frequency response range, starting from as low as 35 Hertz to all the way up to 20 kilohertz. And there's so much bass in these speakers that is amazing. These are not ported speakers, and yet they produce very deep thumping bass. You don't even need a subwoofer. I actually had to lower the bass on these speakers because there was too much bass for my liking. If you had a chance to listen to or you like their smaller speakers, the Fluence AI40s, then you will definitely like the sound signature and the quality of these speakers. These speakers are bigger, they're more powerful at 100 watts, and they get louder, and they have more connectivity options. So here we have the left speaker, the passive speaker, with a 1-inch tweeter and 6.5-inch woofer. The power cable and the external power supply, speaker cable, remote control, and RCA to auxiliary cable. This is the active speaker with a volume control knob. And at the back we have the Bluetooth pairing button with a PC input, optical input, RCA input, sub out, left speaker out, and power supply.
Thank you, Randy Newman. I don't know why folks do the things they do. I don't know why it's so hard just to get through. I don't know why they're going far for you, but I sure know what love can do. I don't know why some days you just can't explain. Don't know why I always go and miss that train. Don't know why got all this misery and pain, but I know it drives me out and insane. Some folks seem to cruise through life in a dream, never worried about what's in store. Folks like me never seem
by my suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Heavy rains are falling, it seems I hear your voice calling. It's alright. It's a rainy night in Georgia. in Georgia. Lord, I believe it's raining all over the world. I feel like it's raining all over the world. Neon signs are flashing, taxi cabs and buses passing through the night. A distant moaning of the train, it seems to play a sad
She put him out like the burning end of a midnight cigarette. She broke his heart. He spent his whole life trying to forget. We watched him drink his pain away, a little at a time. But he never could get drunk enough to get her off his mind until the night he put that bottle to his head and pulled the trigger, and finally drank away her memory. Life is short, but this time it was bigger than the strength he had to get up off his knees. We found him with his face down in the pillow, with a note that said, I love her till I die. And when we buried him beneath the willow, the angel sang a whiskey lullaby. La, la, la.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I want to drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow.
And I find it kind of funny, find it kind of sad. Позови меня тихо по имени, ключевой водой напои меня. Отзовется ли сердце безбрежное, несказанное, глупое, нежное? Снова сумерки входят бессонные, снова застят мне стекла оконные. Там кивают сирень и смородина. Позови меня, тихая родина, позови меня на закате дня. Позови меня, грусть, печаль моя, позови меня на закате дня. Позови меня, грусть, печаль моя, позови меня.